Hello everyone, it's me Luthfia. Today we are going to learn about seating and grouping students. In the teaching process, the teacher will be faced with two things, teaching the whole class and teaching individually. Both of them have their own advantages and disadvantages. Let's start with the individual teaching. There are two advantages of individual teaching. Allows teachers to respond to individual student differences and less stressful. While there are two disadvantages of individual teaching, those are it does not help a class develop a sense of belonging since the student has no friends in the classroom. And the second, method and materials preparation. And now we will move to whole class teaching. There are the advantages of whole class teaching. The first is more effective in giving explanation. It is more effective because the teacher only need to explain the material one time. Moreover, it is more cost efficient in material production. The second is reinforce a sense of belonging among the group's members. In the whole class, the student will do the activity with their friends, together with their friends. So it gives them a chance to mingle with each other, to bond with each other. That condition will help the teacher to create a positive classroom environment. Meanwhile, there are two disadvantages of whole class teaching. The first is it favors the group. In whole class teaching, the students are forced to do the same activity at the same pace. So, even though have learning, they have different language proficiency. So, it will be hard for the teacher to create activity that's suitable for the students according to their needs. The second is may not encourage responsibility. May not encourage the student to take responsibility of their own learning since they can depend on their friends or their peers in the classroom. And then there will be a question how to set whole classroom, how to set whole group classes. There are three ways in setting the student in the whole classes. The first is orderly rows. The orderly rows will be the teacher will see the student clearly, the student will see teacher in front of them. This type of seating is suitable for the activities such as explaining the material or presenting materials. The second type is circle and horse row, or we can call it U shape. This type of seating suitable for 20 students or less. With this type of arrangement, the classroom is more intimate, has a potential for students to share feelings, information through talking and having a contact with the teacher. The third type of seating is separate table. If the teacher wants to conduct the activity in a group, so this type of seating is suitable to apply in the classroom because it is more easier for the student to arrange the group. In the whole class teaching, most of the teacher will play pair work or group work in the classroom. And then how to create pair work or group work in the classroom. There are three ways on how to create it. The first, the student choose. In this way, the student can choose their own partner in pair or in groups. So it will make the student more comfortable in doing tasks. The second is grouping by abilities. In this type, the teacher put the student with the same level of proficiency in one group. This type of grouping gives opportunity for the teachers to give special help to a group of a weaker student. Give opportunity to the strongest group to be autonomous learners. The third is change. So this can be done by asking the student to make a group with a friend next to them. Then what are the procedures of pair work or group work? The procedure is divided into three stages. The first is before. In this stage, the teacher should give clear instruction to the student what they have to do in a group or in a pair work. Second, during stage. So in the during stage, teacher become a facilitator and monitor the student in doing the tasks. The third procedure is, or the third stage is after. So after the activity in pair work or group work, the teacher should give the group or the pair work feedback. So the student will know if there are if they are doing the task correctly or if they are doing the task wrongly. So I think that's all about sitting and grouping the student. If you have a comment or question, you can drop it in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.